Great condo and complex with 24-hour gated security. Complex management on site. Condo and move-in shape will be vacated by current tenants on July 31, 2020. Laminated wood floors throughout. Stainless steel appliances. Granite counters. Basketball courts. Clubhouse-Clubroom. Common laundry. Community room. Elevator. Exercise room. Extra storage. Kitchen facilities. Pool. Tennis. Landlord wants to see basic application with current/prior landlord contact information, 2 months of check stubs or POI, credit report, background check, not a police report. No minimum credit score required. $100 condo registration fees plus $1,000 refundable condo association security deposit. For complete detail of move-in funds required, please see attachments to this listing or call listing agent.